Can't believe I'm happy to have this thing in my life. Hey guys, welcome back. I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and I know why you clicked on this. I know you saw the thumbnail and you want to get my fresh input on this M2 Pro Mac Mini, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you. I'm not going to give you anything else. Let's go right into it. First of all, the design. It's basic. It's just a block of aluminum that's got cool in it. Now, if you saw my last video, wait, hold on. You didn't see my last video? Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell so you guys know exactly when my videos come out. I'll wait. For you guys that did watch my last video, so you guys know that I mainly chose this M2 Pro Mac Mini because HDMI 2.0 and then the extra couple of Thunderbolt 4 ports, right? I don't connect much to my Mac Mini. I mean, mouse is wireless, my keyboard is wireless. I only have like a JLB old small speaker that I use and I connect that directly, but other than that I really don't connect anything else. I'm gonna start doing some live streaming. I still haven't figured out how to connect this camera, which is the Canon M50 Mark II, on there so I can do some live streaming with better camera. So if you guys know how to do that, go ahead and shoot a comment right below the like button. Thank you. Now, like I said, the I/O is great. It's got 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports and then it's got 2 USB-A ports. I still connect my HDD, my hard disk drive. Yes, I know I haven't upgraded yet because this is only a 512 gigabyte storage, so I do need more space, but I didn't want to go higher than that because Apple really does like to overprice this extra storage. So I decided not to go with that, and I'm gonna get an external SSD drive. Now, I think it's my monitor, but I'm not sure. I know the Mac Mini does have the HDMI 2.1, but it's only pushing out 100 Hz of refresh rate. So I have the HDMI connected to the HDMI on my monitor, but I think I should connect it HDMI to the display port. The display port on the monitor is a 2.0 and the HDMI is also a 2.0. I know I need an HDMI 2.1 to get that 4K at 120 Hz. So maybe I should just connect it to the display port so I can have a so-called ProMotion. Now in the beginning of the video I talked about this bad boy and I said I'm happy to have this. Now let me just tell you something. This is my first desktop Apple ever. I have not had an iMac. I have not had a Mac Pro. I've not had anything like that. This is my first desktop from Apple. I've had a MacBook Pro, I've had a MacBook Air, but I've never had a desktop. So everything that I've had has a keyboard and has a trackpad, so it was easy to configure right when you get it out the box. Not this one. I had to struggle because my MX Master 3 was not connecting right away via Bluetooth. The wireless keyboard that I have does have a function and it does have a toggle so I can switch it from Bluetooth to being wired. I did put it wired, hooked it up to the USB-A in the back of the Mac Mini. It detected it perfectly, worked perfectly, but I was not able to connect my MX Master 3 until my pretty beautiful, lovely, intelligent wife came in and said, hey, I'm looking at this and it says that you can connect your Magic Mouse. So where's the one I bought you a few years ago? I was like, it was up there. I don't use it because ergonomically it's not for me. Got it out the box, charged it up a little bit, and it connected instantly. I was about 30 minutes in with that like voiceover and I was just not having it. I was about to throw something, but luckily my beautiful intelligent wife, she recommended that, so thanks baby. But yeah, I have not had any issues with this Mac Mini M2 Pro so far, but then again, I've only had it for about a week and I've only really tried so many different things with it, so I haven't really gotten out its full potential. Had to do a lot of homework. I have been busy with school. I've been busy with my son's birthday party and everything, so I will get back to you guys about how this Mac Mini is performing, but for right now this was my first impressions. Let me know if you guys got a Mac Mini, if you guys still have the M1 Mac Mini, or did you guys jump on board to the M2? Did you get the M2 or the M2 Pro? Let me know down in the comments below, and remember, I am Danny, your friendly tech amigo, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.